This is an old toilet, and the toilet lever finally gave out the little plastic wand that's connected to it. So we're going to go ahead and replace that with a updated looking gold lever for the toilet. Hello everybody and welcome to the Weekend Honeydew List. So we're going to update our toilet lever since it broke. We're going to have some matching faucet with the lever. So the easy way to do it is just to unscrew this little plastic nut. It would have initially slid down the wand that was connected to it, but since it broke off, it's just going to pop right into my hand. Super easy. As you can see, the new one that we have, it's a thicker, harder plastic, and the wand, the lever itself, has got a nice gold finish to it that we're going to use. You can see there's two red clips on there. Those red clips are easy to pop out and to adjust the wand to fit your toilet, whatever size it is or angle. And as you can see, it comes with that same kind of nut that you're going to go ahead and screw on. Now, those two little clips, all you do is just pop them out, and it'll easily remove the section of the arm. So that way we can go ahead and unscrew that little nut. And then we're going to put that right into place. You can see here that once it goes in fairly easily, it's a universal type of lever. We're going to go ahead and screw that back on really quick, fast. You can see it has a nice little spring to that lever. So now all I'm going to do is remove the red clip. So that way I can easily adjust the wand to be in any direction I need. So if you have a different size toilet or different angles, you can adjust it accordingly. Once you're ready and like where it is, you could push that clip back in. And as you can see, there is a little problem. It's hitting our fill valve. All I'm going to do is just give it a little turn because the fill valve can adjust height. And that way it clears it. The last thing you need to do is attach your chain that's attached to the flapper. As you can see, it's just a little hook. And you can adjust the amount of chain links depending on where your wand lands. You want to make sure that you have enough room there to stop the water from flowing from the fill valve, but enough room so that way you can open it up and flush the toilet. Thanks for watching the Weekend Honeydew List. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give us a thumbs up. And if you like what we do, subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Stick around for the next video. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you next time.